Generating viral videos with the best AI animation tools has never been easier. Imagine transforming your ideas into jaw-dropping animations that grab attention and keep viewers hooked. In this video, we'll dive deep into generating viral videos with the best AI animation tools, showing you how to create eye-catching, high-engagement content effortlessly. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or just love animation, these cutting-edge tools will revolutionize your video production. Stay tuned as we unlock the secrets to generating viral videos with the best AI animation tools like a pro. AI animation tools are software applications that leverage artificial intelligence to simplify and enhance the animation process. These tools utilize advanced technologies, including machine learning and algorithms, to automate tasks such as character movement, scene transitions, and even voice synchronization. By analyzing vast amounts of data, AI can generate animations that are not only visually appealing but also contextually relevant. For animators and content creators, the benefits are significant: reduced production time, lower costs, and the ability to experiment with creative ideas without extensive technical skills. With AI animation tools, creators can focus more on storytelling and less on the technical intricacies, making it easier than ever to produce high-quality animated content that resonates with audiences. When it comes to creating viral videos, several AI animation tools stand out. Blender is a powerful, open-source software known for its versatility in 3D animation and modeling. It offers a robust set of features, including sculpting, rigging, and rendering, making it ideal for advanced users. Animaker is user-friendly and perfect for beginners, providing a drag-and-drop interface along with a library of pre-animated characters and scenes. Vine focuses on creating professional-looking animations quickly, with customizable templates and a vast asset library, catering to businesses and educators. Pricing varies. Blender is free. Animaker offers a free tier with premium plans starting at a low monthly fee, while Vine has subscription options tailored for individuals and teams. Each tool provides unique advantages, ensuring accessibility for all skill levels. To create engaging videos using AI animation, start with a compelling story that resonates with your audience. Focus on a clear narrative arc, incorporating animations that enhance key moments rather than distract from them. Visuals play a crucial role in retaining viewer attention. Vibrant animations can illustrate complex ideas and evoke emotions, making your content more memorable. Don't hesitate to experiment with different animation styles and techniques, whether it's 2D, 3D, or stop motion, to find what best suits your message. Additionally, consider using dynamic transitions and engaging character animations to keep the pacing lively. By blending storytelling with innovative visuals, you can captivate your audience and encourage them to share your content, increasing its potential to go viral. Several viral videos have effectively utilized AI animation tools to capture audience attention. One notable example is the Dumb Ways to Die campaign, which used vibrant 2D animations created with tools like Adobe Animate. The catchy song and humorous visuals resonated with viewers, leading to widespread sharing and engagement. Another example is the Explainer video by Dropbox, which employed simple yet effective animations using Vine to clarify complex concepts. The combination of clear messaging and engaging visuals contributed to its viral success. Key lessons from these case studies include the importance of a strong narrative, the power of humor, and the effectiveness of visually appealing content. By leveraging AI animation tools thoughtfully, creators can enhance their storytelling and increase the likelihood of their videos going viral. To promote your AI animated videos effectively, start by optimizing your video titles and descriptions with relevant SEO keywords. This helps improve visibility in search results and attracts the right audience. Craft engaging titles that spark curiosity and accurately reflect your content. Next, leverage social media platforms to share your videos. Create eye-catching snippets or teasers to entice viewers to watch the full version. Encourage your audience to share your content, as word of mouth can significantly boost visibility. Additionally, consider collaborating with influencers in your niche. Their established audiences can help amplify your reach and lend credibility to your content. By combining these strategies, you can maximize engagement and ensure your AI animated videos reach a broader audience. In summary, AI animation tools are revolutionizing the world of video creation, empowering creators to craft engaging, visually captivating content with ease. We've explored powerful platforms like Blender, Animaker, and Viand, showcasing their unique features and benefits. Along the way, we've emphasized the significance of compelling storytelling, striking visuals, and strategic promotion in creating viral videos. Don't miss out on more game-changing insights. Subscribe to TECH-OUTTA-HERE for the latest tips and tricks. We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below, so feel free to share your experiences and feedback. Plus, explore our related videos and resources to dive even deeper into the world of AI animation. Let's unlock the full creative potential of AI together.